Hello, welcome to tenorshare. iOS 18 is coming to us soon. Some of you may ask, wasn't iOS 18 released in June this year? Actually, the latest version is currently iOS 18 Beta 8, but not the final version. Since I've been using iOS 18 Beta for quite some time now, I'm more excited about the release of the official version and some of the things we need to prepare for before updating. We expect iOS 18 Final will be released on September 16, the next Monday after Fall Event 2024. And about the most exciting part of iOS 18, Apple Intelligent. The rumor says it will release on October 2024. The following updates after iOS 18. Okay, let's see what we must do before installing iOS 18. Tip 1. Back up your iPhone before installing iOS 18. Although iOS 18 is more stable than the beta version, it can still get stuck due to aging devices, unstable networks, and your data will be in danger, and you may lose your data as a result. So let's back up our data as soon as possible. Go to the Settings and Apple ID. Tap on iCloud. Enable Backup this iPhone and tap Backup now. If you don't have enough iCloud space, you can back up on iTunes or Finder to PC or Mac. Launch iTunes or Finder and click Backup now. But it's not available to customize the backup location. It will back up to your system drive by default. If your system drive is nearly full, you may need to back up to a different drive. So, I highly recommend you to try iCareFone. iCareFone is an Apple data management tool that can transfer, backup, and restore your device data. You can select any drive to back up your data, and more. It can recognize your iPhone backup and scan the duplicate photos, which save a lot of storage of your iPhone. You can download iCareFone from the link in the description. Once installed iCareFone, you can connect your iPhone to PC, and then go to Backup and Restore and click Backup. You can choose the data you want to back up, such as contacts and photos, and click Edit. Select the location and click Backup. Now, iCareFone starts to back up your data. Please be patient. Once the backup finished, click View Backup Data, and you can find out all data here. If you want to restore your data, just click Restore. It's really easy to use. Okay, let's move on to the next tip. Tip 2. Ensure your iPhone storage enough. Go to General and iPhone Storage. I advise you prepare at least 10 GB to install iOS 18. If you don't have enough space, you can delete the unused apps and files. Tip 3. Charging while updating. Make sure charging your iPhone while updating to iOS 18, or at least 60% battery level. Tip 4. Ensure your Wi-Fi connection quality. A bad Wi-Fi connection may cause failure to update to iOS 18 or may damage your system. So, please ensure you are under a stable and fast-speed Wi-Fi connection. The last part, let me show you what models can support to iOS 18. If your iPhone models are not in the list, it means your iPhone is not able to update to iOS 18. Okay, this is all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video.